Now this is where one of the windows is going to go. Now the idea of these furring strips is to provide half of this furring strip for this sheet here, and then the next sheet will be right here, and it'll take the other half of this. Well, that did not work out so well, because when I got down here, the whole structure is not square to this wall right here. It's not square. Now on this side here, I'm going to have a piece of OSB up against here, so I've got to get this flat. I have to get a battery. One of the characteristics of these Versatube buildings is they got a little projection down here to provide welding, to provide a welding surface. And so now I got to notch the corner of the OSB to fit that area. Okay, here is the level that I made extra long. I put a board that I bought from the lumber yard, and it's a tongue and groove, and so I had it for another project, but I had some left over, so I made it into a level that I can use at times. So I made marks down here on the concrete, by the metal stud. Okay, now the top there I've already marked on the left side, but now I'm going to show you how to mark the right side. Well, I found several defects with this operation here. I'm going to have to make this loop right here, I'm going to have to make it bigger. And this cannot, once this is made bigger, this cannot be at this angle like this. It's at a severe angle and it's not going to work. So I'm just going to take that off, modify it, and then also up at the top here, those cable clamps on there, those are not going to work like that because they stop it and they keep it from going forward. Here is where the door is going to go in, and I want to show you how that's going to work. Okay, this is the thing that's going to fill that area in. And I put this bracket on the back of it so that I can attach it. This bracket on the back, I notched it out, and it's going to go on the back.